Updating your business profile on Twitch Partners is essential for maintaining an engaging presence on the platform. Follow these simple steps to ensure your profile is up to date. Step 1. Log into your Twitch account. Visit the Twitch website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with your business profile. Step 2. Access your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Create a Dashboard from the drop-down menu to access your profile settings. Step 3. Go to Profile Settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your business information. In the channel settings, you can edit various sections of your profile, including your bio, links, and social media accounts. Make the necessary changes to reflect your current business information. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This ensures that all your edits are applied and your profile is updated. By following these steps, you can keep your Twitch business profile current and engaging for your audience. Regular updates can help enhance your visibility and connection with viewers.